All right, let's tackle one of the biggest questions for creators out there right now.
So here's the big one. Can you actually make money with an AI YouTube channel?
The short answer, yes, totally possible. But, and this is a big but, there's a catch.
See, here's the thing. YouTube doesn't care if it's AI. It cares if humans actually watch it.
Okay, so let's break down YouTube's rules of the road for getting paid.
First things first, you gotta hit one of these goals to even join the partner program.
And once you're in, you unlock all these awesome ways to start earning from your videos.
But here's the twist. YouTube is okay with AI content with some really important conditions.
And this chart, it shows you exactly what they mean. Think value, not just spam.
So if you want to create that high-value stuff, what's in the toolkit you're going to need? It really boils down to 4 main steps, from your script all the way to the final edit.
Your AI voice has to sound natural. If it sounds robotic, people are going to click away instantly.
And please, don't skip the edit. Good pacing and music are absolutely essential for keeping viewers hooked.
All right, let's talk about why so many of these AI channels just fail.
A lot of people just pump out generic, low-effort stuff like this, thinking it's a quick buck.
Then they do it again, just swapping out the topic. It's basically the same video, different title.
And again, this kind of mass-produced content is a massive red flag for YouTube.
YouTube actually has a name for this, repetitive content. It's a surefire way to get denied. So what's the secret sauce? It's combining your human creativity with the speed of AI.
It's all about strategy. You need a specific niche, a unique style, and fantastic storytelling. Check this out. Don't make a video on focus. Make one on how dopamine destroys your focus.
Remember this, AI is the tool, but you're the brain behind the whole operation.
AI makes creating easier, for sure, but it doesn't automatically make your content good. That's still on you.
The real opportunity here is combining human smarts with AI speed. So the question is, are you in?